To make cartoon videos and earn money, follow these steps. 1. Develop animation skills. Learn animation basics using software like Adobe Animate, Toon Boom, or free options like Cinefix Studio. 2. Choose a niche. Decide on the type of cartoon videos you want to create, e.g., education, entertainment, etc. 3. Invest in equipment. Get a computer with animation software, a drawing tablet, and a microphone for recording audio. 4. Create engaging content. Plan, storyboard, and create your cartoon videos with compelling stories or messages. 5. Add sound and music. Enhance your videos with sound effects and background music. Respect copyright laws. 6. Edit and polish. Refine timing, transitions, and visual effects. 7. Promote your content. Share your videos on platforms like YouTube, optimize for SEO, and engage with your audience. 8. Monetize your content. 1. Ad revenue. Enable monetization on platforms like YouTube to earn a share of ad revenue. 2. Patreon or crowdfunding. Seek direct support from your audience through platforms like Patreon. 3. Merchandise and products. Sell related merchandise or digital products. 4. Sponsorships and brand deals. Attract sponsors for product or service promotions. 5. Freelance work. Offer animation services to clients. Consistency, quality, and audience engagement are key to success. Be patient and persistent in building your brand and revenue streams.